Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OA level past paper. Today, we shall discuss question number 3 of paper 6 probability and statistics session October November 2018. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use the word My Topper Student. You will find the channel My Topper Student. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. For the online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In paper 6 probability and statistics session October November 2018, the question number 3 is Jack attempts the crossword puzzle in his daily newspaper every day. The probability that he will complete the puzzle on any given day is 0.75, independently of all other days. Part A, find the probability that he will complete the puzzle at least 3 times over a period of 5 days. Now we shall find out the probability. He completed the puzzle 3 times over a period of 5 days. So in this case, the number of days is 5 as given in the question statement, 5 days, this one, number of 5 days. So n equal to 5 and probability of success in binomial distribution is 0.75 as given in the question statement. We know that if we have a p, then we can calculate it q, because the sum of the probability of p and q is equal to 1, so the probability of q is equal to 0.25. Let x be the function of binomial distribution. We know that binomial distribution is np. According to the given condition, as there are at least 3 days, so p of x greater or equal to 3. P of x equal to 3, p of x equal to 4, and p of x equal to 5. By putting the value as x is equal to 3, so we have 3c5, value of the p and the value of the q, value of the p and the value of the q. After that, for x equal to 4, we have 4c5, and 5x equal to 5, we have 5c5. After simplification, we know that the binomial distribution formula is nc(x), p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. After simplification, we get 0.896, the probability for at least 3 days out of 5. In part second, find the probability that the Kenny will complete the puzzle at least one of the 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, in a randomly chosen week. So now we shall find out the probability that Kenny will complete the puzzle at least one of the 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. So in the question 2, first of all, we shall complete the tree diagram so that we can solve the question easily. We shall solve the problem by the tree diagram, as the probability for the MC is Monday complete, MC dash Monday not complete. So the Monday complete probability is 0.8. So the Monday not complete is probability will be 0.2 according to the condition of the question. TC is Tuesday complete, so the Tuesday complete probability is 0.9, Tuesday not complete probability is 0.1. Similarly, for part B, after completing the tree diagram, complete puzzle on at least one of the 2 days from the tree diagram we have. From the tree diagram we have probability of Monday complete, Tuesday complete, Monday complete, Tuesday not complete, and Monday complete, Tuesday complete. So by the for PMTC, the tree diagram is MT, this one, for the first one, M and T. So for the first tree, 0.8 and 0.9. After that, if we need to calculate M, T, C, not Tuesday, then we shall take the value of 0.8 and 0.1. Similarly, when we need to calculate the probability of Monday not complete and Tuesday complete, we shall take the 0.2 and 0.8 according to the direction of the tree. So by putting the value of the probability after simplification, we get 0.92. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.